I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one. Yeah, so this is part 2 of the summer house build, and we're on drainage now. Just want to go a few things with you on actually what we're doing. So yeah, we've got to pick up on a toilet, a hand basin and some rainwater. And from the slab, outside the slab, there'll be a chamber. Pipework comes down. I'll pick up on the rainwater as well. And then from there, we'll go to the Soakaway, the big hole we're digging now. If you see it, and also if you see on your right hand side there, that concrete ring with holes in, that's going to be the Soakaway. I'll put my pipe into there. It gets all shingled and everything else around the back and stuff like that. Shingle all over the pipes, and yeah, then just backfill with earth after that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, so we got the ring in for the Soakaway. There's a metal plate over the opening there, and all what's left to do is shingle around the edges there, jam packed with the shingle. And then all I've got to do now is a bit of pipe work up there, finish the drainage off. That comes through there, got a wide junction there, and then picking up some rainwater. That carries on down there. We've got a small little manhole there just on the outside. Then it comes through to inside the summer house. You've got a toilet on the left hand side, and then with the pipe there's for a bit of electric coming in. So yeah, we're getting there.